Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Tonight, we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of humanoid robots, and specifically, Tesla's Optimus Gen 2. Now, this isn't just another piece of tech, this is a potential game changer. Elon Musk has painted a bold vision for Optimus, a robot that can do anything you ask, from walking your dog to babysitting your kids, even serving you drinks. We've seen some intriguing demos, like Optimus handing out goodies at the Wii robot event and folding laundry in a lab setting. But how close are we to this vision becoming reality? Join me as we explore the capabilities, challenges, and potential impact of Tesla's Optimus. The Wii robot event was a pivotal moment for Tesla and the robotics world. It wasn't just about flashy demos. It was about showcasing the potential integration of robots into our everyday lives. Optimus robots mingled with the crowd, served refreshments, and even showed off some impressive dance moves. Now, I know some reports have questioned the level of autonomy in these demonstrations, with suggestions of remote control by Tesla employees. But regardless, this event was a powerful statement about Tesla's commitment to robotics and their ambition to make Optimus a household name. One of the hottest debates in robotics right now revolves around autonomy, the ability of a robot to operate independently without human control. Tesla claims Optimus can navigate autonomously in controlled environments, but the extent of its capabilities remains uncertain. We've seen videos suggesting some tasks, like pouring drinks, may require human assistance. This highlights the complexities of achieving true autonomy. It's a monumental challenge in robotics, and separating fact from hype is essential when evaluating any company's claims. We'll dig deeper into this in a moment, but first, let's take a look at some of Tesla's competitors. Unitree is a name you should know in the humanoid robot scene. Their G1 robot is positioned as a more affordable and portable alternative to Optimus, with a price tag around $16,000. While Unitree's marketing has focused on physical capabilities, showcasing acrobatic maneuvers and speed, we haven't seen much emphasis on autonomy. Their videos, while impressive, primarily show teleoperated control. This doesn't mean the G1 lacks potential for autonomous functions, but it does suggest a different focus compared to Tesla's vision for Optimus. Figure AI's Figure 02 represents a compelling rival to Optimus. Designed for commercial and industrial use, Figure 02 boasts impressive dexterity and, importantly, the ability to talk thanks to OpenAI's large language models. This opens doors to richer human-robot interaction. Their collaboration with BMW to deploy robots in factory settings is a real-world test of their capabilities. The fact that Figure has secured funding from OpenAI speaks volumes about the potential of their technology. They're aiming for full autonomy, and early evidence suggests they're making solid progress. Elon Musk has projected a price range of $20,000 to $30,000 for Optimus, aiming to make it as accessible as a car. This is an ambitious goal, especially considering the complexity of the technology. While Tesla plans to begin internal testing in their factories soon, the timeline for commercial availability remains somewhat unclear. Musk tends to be optimistic about timelines, so it's wise to approach these predictions with healthy skepticism. However, the prospect of an affordable humanoid robot is incredibly exciting and has the potential to disrupt numerous industries. Imagine having a robot that can handle your daily chores, assist elderly family members, or simply be a companion. This is the future Musk envisions with Optimus. From bringing in packages to watering plants, the potential applications in the home are vast. But this raises some crucial ethical considerations. How much trust are we willing to place in robots in our homes? How do we ensure safety and security? These are important questions we'll address shortly. The industrial and manufacturing sectors could be transformed by humanoid robots like Optimus. Repetitive, dangerous, or physically demanding tasks can be delegated to robots, improving workplace safety and efficiency. Tesla plans to deploy Optimus in their own factories first, providing a valuable real-world testing ground. This approach allows them to refine the technology and address challenges in a controlled environment before broader deployment. Now, here's something fun. Tesla even released a limited edition Optimus action figure, which sold out almost instantly. This speaks to the significant buzz surrounding this robot. While it might seem like a novelty, it underscores the public's fascination with robots and the idea of having one in their own homes someday. Plus, it's just cool. The rise of humanoid robots brings forth important ethical questions. Job displacement is a legitimate concern, and we need to think proactively about retraining programs and new employment opportunities. Data privacy is another crucial aspect. Robots collect vast amounts of data, and robust safeguards are needed to protect sensitive information. Additionally, Ensuring robot safety and preventing misuse is paramount. We need stringent regulations and guidelines as these technologies become more integrated into our lives. The future of humanoid robotics is filled with both promise and uncertainty. We're seeing breakthroughs in dexterity, mobility, and AI-driven learning at an incredible pace. However, achieving true autonomy remains the biggest challenge. Competition is fierce, with companies like Tesla, Figure AI, and Unitree vying for dominance. The coming years will be crucial in determining which robots truly live up to the hype, and I'll be here to cover every step of the way. Thanks for joining me on this exciting journey into the world of humanoids. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in AI and robotics.